开始。
Hi everyone! So I bought myself a Georg Jensen necklace for Christmas, and when I opened the packet, it came with 2 bags. Actually, I bought 2 necklaces, sorry. So inside the bag, it has the invoice and the gift card, gift receipts, and just in case I want to exchange it in store. So the 2 necklaces I bought is the 2017 Heritage Collection and the Moonlight series. And they're beautifully wrapped because you can ask them to wrap it for free. So now I'm gonna open up the box. So we're gonna start with the Moonlight. They even label it for you, which is really nice. Ta-da! So this is the Moonlight collection, and it has a product care which shows you how to look after the silver. Here we go. This is the pendant, and it's a silver stone. So a silver stone pretty much just means like a polished silver, but Georg Jensen deliberately oxidized the silver so it's actually darker in color, and just to create that extra vintage look. So I actually wanted a necklace that's this length for a while, because with this kind of length you can actually wear it with like a sweater and stuff. So it looks like this on me. You see? And behind it, it has the details and Georg Jensen trademark with little grapes at the bottom. So this is a 60cm chain. Obviously, if you don't like the length, you can get the 45cm chain as well, but I don't usually like to alter the original necklace itself. And the second one we're gonna look at is the 2017 Heritage Collection. And the stone that I got is called, I have to look at my phone. Give me a sec. It's sodalite. So supposedly this color stone can absorb your negative energy and make everything positive. So it looks like this. Okay. So the color of this stone is actually very similar to what's online, and at the back it actually has like a little pouch for the chain so it doesn't get tangled. So now I'm going to open this pouch, get the chain out. There we go. And again, it has the Georg Jensen grapes on the side. Over here. And at the back, it has the Georg Jensen marks. And this is the color of the sodalite. So this is a 45cm chain. So it's like this. Okay? Which goes well with like a shirt and stuff at work. So yeah, that's it. That's my 2 Georg Jensen for Christmas. See you next time.